Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Madison wig by Margu in the color 38H. 38H is a really pretty gray. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. You can kind of see that this is what happens to a sandy blonde when it starts to turn gray. You've got the kind of medium gray in here with all these lovely sandy tones. So you get some darker gray in there. You also get some light caramel brown. It's just a very dynamic, very pretty color, and it's got the same distribution all the way around. When I stand away from you, it kind of takes on sort of like a medium gray hue with hints of caramel that you pick up ever so slightly here and there when the light hits it. So let me go ahead and do a 360 to show you what Madison looks like, because I actually think she's one of those wigs that looks way cuter on than she does in the product pictures. You can see this color is also slightly darker at the nape, so it is a slightly graduated gray. This is a very cute monofilament shag that has very light volume. Very light volume. In fact, I have to fluff it up considerably to get it to do what it's currently doing. But it sort of naturally wants to stay really sleek. Like that. You know, because it's monofilament. So it's really a darling cut. And it is very professional looking. It'd be very easy to pull off. And like I said, I think this one looks a lot cuter and a lot less extreme in person than it does in the product pictures. Because they make it look like a really extreme shag in the product pictures, and it's really not. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's a pretty conservative, pretty traditional haircut, right? So let's talk some specs. The bang on Madison is 4.5 inches. It's a little long for me because I have a short forehead, so I'm sweeping it off to the side. The nape is 3.5 inches. The top is 4 to 6 inches depending on where you're measuring. The sides are 3.5 to 5 inches. And the overall length from the crown to the bottom is 11.5 inches at the nape. So you can kind of see that there. Madison only weighs 2.15 ounces, so she's very lightweight. I'm going to go ahead and take Madison off so I can show you the cap construction. Madison has a really well-made cap. She's got a completely hand-tied monofilament top with a big, generous, thick band of polyurethane right at the front hairline that continues all the way onto the ear tabs, both of them, so you can put adhesive on all of that if you want, or you could just rely on it to be kind of grippy on its own. You do have an extended nape. It is not felt, but it has a band of felt on it for the Velcro adjusters. She's pretty stretchy. I mean, I wouldn't recommend this one to large cap wearers, but she does accommodate very well. And then not very stretchy here in the back. Let me show you those mono features close up. They are transparent, so you may want to wear a wig cap with this one, but they're very well done. Take a look at that. I'm going to go ahead and put Madison back on now. And that's it. There's nothing to this one. It's just really easy to wear. It has a lot of layers cut into it. So this is the Madison by Margu in the color 38H. I think this one is really cute, especially in comparison to the photos they use for the catalog images. This one is way cuter in person, if I am telling you my honest opinion of the matter. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching my wig reviews, and hopefully we'll see you again next time. Have a great night. Bye-bye.